DAJA DJ6 Packaging Unpacking. Installation instructions. First, we get the DJ6 product. Check to see if the package is intact. Open the case. DJ6 product manual. Paper used for testing. Machine body. Goggles for protection from light. Machine stand. Isolation baffle. USB flash drive with engraving software. Wooden boards for testing. The machine's power cord. Cable for connection to computer. Then we started assembling the machine. Locate the card slot. Take out the machine base. Align the slot for direct installation. Take out the 4 heightening brackets. Unscrew the nut. Install the column onto the bracket and tighten the nut. Here are all the accessories for the machine. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact the DAJA Technical Support Team.